Hi, I'm Jessie Janae, co-founder of Lumi, and you're watching Unboxing Things, a show where we unbox your favorite direct-to-consumer and e-commerce brands, and we talk all about the box instead of about the product, because here at Lumi, we help those brands make their packaging. So let's see what brand we're unboxing today. It's Allbirds. Allbirds is an e-commerce shoe brand making really comfy shoes out of interesting and sustainable materials like wool, sugarcane, and tree fibers. And this is their e-commerce shipper box. What can we learn from the outside? First off, that it's a craft box with one color printing on the outside. So you've got your really nice craft color, and then you've got, boom, Allbirds branding, boom, Allbirds branding. But that's really the only printing on the box itself, because over here you have other information about the product, but it's applied via a sticker label. That's a really cool choice, because with all the variations that exist in shoes, sizes, colors, so this allows them to produce a bunch of a box that fits the shoe and then label it with the barcode, color information. This label is representing the color of the shoe. So when these are stacked at fulfillment or in a store, you can really quickly identify what you're looking at. And then when it lands on your doorstep, you're like, oh yeah, I ordered that, that's my size. Other things on the outside of the box. Something I'm pretty much in love with is the fact that their thermal label is the color of the box. They've printed it a craft color instead of it being the normal white. It still contains all the normal information, it just blends more into the box. The box is closed with a clear wafer label, very simple, prevents the need for tape. I'm gonna get my handy dandy slicer to open up that wafer label so that I can open the box. Are you mentally prepared? Because we're going in, all right? So I open this flap, open this up, woo! If I thought the outside of the box was interesting, here I am on the inside. Woo! This is just really a nice, beautiful way of presenting the product. It's still black printing, or maybe a subtle kind of gray tone. It might not actually just be black ink, overprinted over your craft color, where the illustration is actually the craft color popping through. This is really well designed because that means it's still technically a one color print, even though you're getting this flood of graphics. And then you've got this here, which means this box is actually a very different construction and it's custom cut for them. Kind of a message here, better shoes in a better way. And if I open this again, it says, meet the tree skippers, made with sustainably harvested trees. They're light on your feet and easy on the planet. If this is kind of a fun message to greet me when I open the box, this second read message actually tells me about what I purchased and makes me feel kind of really great because this product is not only beautiful and fun to wear, but it's also sustainable. So I'm gonna take this and put it to the side, and then I'm gonna see what else is going on in the box. So this is non-standard too. What is this? It's a triangle, that much I know. It also was a thing that supported the product to sit in the ideal kind of formation and shipping, which is really clever because this is so simple. And if I disassemble it, you can see very simply that it's just a strip of corrugate. It's got messaging on it though, made from the world around us, wear in the wild, want to return or exchange your shoes. So what I love about this is they're using this, which has a structural need in the box to support the product and keep it in its proper presentation, is also negating the need for a bunch of printed postcards or collateral put in the box. So this is saving the planet a bit of paper and serving a core purpose. Let's disassemble the box to see how the whole thing comes together. Boom, boop. All right. Now that I've got the box folded flat, I noticed that I missed some messaging here. It says our fully recyclable box is made with 90% post-consumer recycled cardboard and soy-based inks. So they're using really responsible materials to make the box. And then, of course, you know, normal boxes don't have a wavy shape in them. So this die line and this die cut shape is made very specifically for Allbirds. Well, something that I didn't talk about when the box was assembled is that there's two little holes here. Nothing is done by accident, especially with a brand like Allbirds that has so much intention behind everything. These little holes are meant for something. This can serve to hold a handle, and when this product is sold at retail, Allbirds has some retail stores as well, they can actually put a handle in here so you can walk out of the store with your shoes and you do not need to put them into an extra bag. Everything is intentional. You'll notice that there's no secondary shoebox inside. You're saving materials. The flood coat of this illustration, this full coverage ink, also doesn't extend onto the flaps because it doesn't need to, because that portion is hidden when the box is assembled. Allbirds is taking the extra step, the extra detail of making sure that no ink and no materials are being wasted. There's one more piece of packaging that's being included here, and that's the actual insert that goes into the shoe. So a nice recyclable molded pulp insert here with a really fun smiley face on the feet shape, which is just a kind of a fun sense of whimsy. So it says, so soft you can wear sockless. Keep these so your shoes stay nice and neat when not on your feet. So not only is that rhymey and kind of fun in an awesome way, but they're reminding me that even though I could just throw this right in my recycling bin, if I hold on to it, I can use this to actually keep a really nice shape to my shoes, and they're reminding me that I don't even need socks. It's time to roll in the recap. Allbirds packaging is great for a lot of reasons, but here's a few key ones. First up, it's focused. All the details are focused in on making the experience seamless, from the craft colored thermal label all the way through to the materials and inks used on the box itself. Then it's functional. There's no wasted components in this box, all the way down to making the actual kind of functionality structural, to making sure there's no collateral in the box at all, because you get all the details you need from the packaging. And then it's whimsical. I mean, all the way down to making there be a smiley face in the shoe, which you don't even see when you first open the box. This brand has a personality. They're funny, they're whimsical, and I'd want to be their friends. That's Allbirds Unboxed.